Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about passive voice of past perfect tense. All rules are same like simple tenses and three perfect tenses have same V forms. So in this tense also suitable V form been. In the last class we learned about passive voice of present perfect tense and we used their V form been. So in this tense also suitable V form been. Here this tense means past perfect tense. Here helping verb is changed, that is had instead of have or has in the present perfect tense. Have is plural and as is singular. But in the past perfect tense is not different. We use here same sentences for easy to understanding. For example, past perfect tense, serial number 1, he had drank milk. Here, he is subject, had is helping verb, drank is main verb, milk is object. In the passive voice, milk had been drank. Second sentence, she had sold vegetables. In the passive voice, vegetable had been sold. Third sentence, who had eaten apples? In the passive voice, apples had been eaten. If we want to add extra another tense, it will be simple past. Actually, in the past two actions, first one is past perfect tense and second one is simple past tense. For example, first sentence, he had drank milk before he took breakfast. Here he took breakfast is simple past tense and he had drank milk is past perfect tense. In the passive voice, milk had been drunk before breakfast was taken. The second sentence, she had sold vegetables before she got corona. In the passive voice, vegetables had been sold before corona was got. In the active voice, got is V2. In the passive voice, got is V3. Third sentence, we had eaten apples before we ate bananas. In the passive voice, apples had been eaten before bananas were eaten. These all are positive sentences. If we want to change negative sentence, we will write not after helping verb in the active voice and passive voice. For example, he hadn't drank milk. Here, you write contraction. That is, already we know had plus not is equal to hadn't. So it is he hadn't drank milk. In the passive voice, milk hadn't been drank. Second sentence, she hadn't sold vegetables. In the passive voice, vegetables hadn't been sold. The third sentence, we hadn't eaten apples. In the passive voice, apples hadn't been eaten. If we want to change interactive sentence, we will write helping verb before the subject in the active voice and passive voice and add question mark ending of the sentence. For example, first sentence, had he drank milk and add question mark. In the passive voice, had milk been drunk and add question mark. Second sentence, had she sold vegetables, add question mark. In the passive voice, had vegetables been sold, add question mark. Third sentence, had we eaten apples, add question mark. In the passive voice, add apples been eaten and add question mark. We must practice with useful remaining main verbs and subjects to get more knowledge about passive voice of past perfect tense. Thank you.